So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to block someone on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the homepage of your TikTok account. Now to block someone, you can even tap on your profile or your inbox. So I am teaching you from the inbox icon. So tap on inbox, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then tap on the person's profile here like this, and tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can simply see the option of block. So tap on it. Then you can confirm it, either you want to block him or her or not. Once you tap on block, then this person will be blocked for forever, and even you can unblock it by just tapping on unblock icon which is available on your screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.